Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to control exactly who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow on Facebook using the latest update for the Facebook app on your PC. If you want to keep your following list visible only to certain friends, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner and click on your account profile photo. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Go ahead and click on Settings. Now you're inside the main settings area where you can control all sorts of privacy and account features. Next, scroll down and find the section called Followers and Public Content. Click to enter this section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow. This is the setting you need to adjust. Click on this option. You'll see several choices, including Public, Friends, Only Me, and Specific Friends. To show your following list to only certain friends, select Specific Friends. A new window will pop up, allowing you to search for and choose the friends you want to give access to your following list. Take your time to pick the friends you trust. Once you've selected them, click Save Changes at the bottom of the window. That's it. Now, only the friends you've chosen will be able to see the people, pages, and lists you follow on Facebook. This feature is perfect for anyone who values privacy but still wants to share their interests with a select group. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.